So a lot of times, a lot of what we're seeing is we get into a remodel and the city comes in and says, hey, yeah, in order for this to work, we're going to have to move this panel to a certain part of the house. And a lot of that is due to some of the new codes that we've got today that we didn't have back in the 70s or 80s.
That's right. Yeah, we normally like to see our panel boxes inside out of the weather, and requirements for a panel box location is a big thing because we got to have our clearance space. In the laundry room, you've got a washer and dryer to contend with. We like to have a 30 inches deep, 36 inches width. Imagine like a refrigerator space, invisible space in front of the panel box. And that gives us room to have a clearance that we need on our panel boxes. What we typically like to see is GFI breakers installed versus GFI plugs, because they have to be readily accessible. And now that we have them as a breaker style, we don't have components like a refrigerator in front of a GFI that we'd have to go push the button to reset. You'd walk over to the panel box and reset your breaker here, your panel box, and not have anything in the way impeding that.